Let us continue with the lesson constituents of food. And as we saw in the last session about regarding carbohydrates, we also studied about the fats. Now let us study about proteins. How proteins are important for our body, or how protein rich food is important in our daily diet. So can you see, what can you see on the screen here on the slide? You can see the stones and bricks are the building blocks of the wall. If you want to construct a wall, अगर आपको दीवार बांधनी है तो आपको क्या लगेगा? स्टोन्स लगेगा और ब्रिक्स लगेगा. सिमिलरली अगर आपके बॉडी को बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक चाहिए, आपकी बॉडी अच्छी तरह से बिल्ड होनी चाहिए, इफ़ यू वांट टू ग्रो टॉल, फिर आपको क्या लगेगा? प्रोटीन्स. सो प्रोटीन्स आर द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ अ बॉडी. Sometimes the body gets injured, but the healing and the repair of a body goes on continuously. So proteins are necessary for this purpose. Means what? If you are getting injured, sometimes you get an injury on your hand, on your legs, okay, but the healing is repaired automatically, naturally ये repair हो जाती है. जो भी आपको होता है, आप गिरते हो, हाथ को लगता है, पैर को लगता है, पर वो अपने आप ठीक क्यों हो जाता है? क्या रीज़न है? बिकॉज प्रोटीन्स आर नेसेसरी फॉर दिस पर्पस. क्योंकि आप प्रोटीन रिच फूड खाओगे तो आपको प्रोटीन मिलेगा, और प्रोटीन का काम क्या है कि आपके बॉडी को नेचुरली रिपेयर करता है अंदर से. एग्जाम्पल ओवर यर यू कैन सी, एक बेबी है, फिर वो कैसे बड़ा बच्चा बनता है. इट ग्रोज इन टू अर्ली चाइल्डहुड, then puberty, and early adulthood. So if you want to grow in this way, if you want to grow, what are needed? Proteins are required in plenty during the growing years of the person's life. From where will you get proteins? Protein rich food कौन सा है? So let us see. Dals and pulses, milk and milk products like cheese, paneer, butter, yogurt, khoya, egg, meat, fish. These are the sources of proteins. Our body requires carbohydrates. It also requires fats and proteins. So, macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These are known as macronutrients. Macro means major quantity. You need this nutrients in a major quantity. So they are known as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats as macronutrients. But there are some micronutrients which are required for your body. They are known as vitamins and minerals. So it will come under micronutrients. So vitamins are different types of vitamins are named using the letters of the alphabet. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. These are vitamins. We need vitamins in very small quantity, but lack of it may lead to serious disorder. Vitamins हमें बहुत कम प्रमाण में लगते हैं, लेकिन अगर ये नहीं मिले अपने शरीर को तो उसका सीरियस डिसऑर्डर, कुछ तो सीरियस प्रॉब्लम अपने बॉडी को फेस करना पड़ता है. एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ you will not eat vitamin A rich food. Example, if you will not eat carrot, radish, leafy vegetables, that is vitamin A rich food, then you will have a deficiency of night blindness. Deficiency मतलब कमी जो कमी होती है शरीर में, वो कमी होती है अगर आपने विटामिन ए रिच फूड नहीं खाया तो. सो इट विल लीड टू नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. आपको रात को दिखेगा नहीं, वो डिजीज़ है, दैट इज़ नोन एज नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. सिमिलरली विटामिन डी लीड्स टू वीक एंड ब्रिटल बोन्स. जैसे एक एग्जाम्पल है, चॉक ले लो, चॉक उसको तोड़ो, वो कितना जल्दी टूट जाता है. दैट मीन्स द चॉक इज ब्रिटल, इट ब्रेक्स ईजिली. सिमिलरली इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग विटामिन डी, then your bones will become weak and brittle. That's why you should include vitamin D in your daily diet. How will you get vitamin D? Sit in the morning sunlight. Your skin will absorb that vitamin D, the sunlight, and that will improve the vitamin D. You will get vitamin D. Vitamins give the resistance to fight against the diseases. और एक बात, अगर आपने वाइटामिन रिच फूड खाया, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स फ्रूट्स खाए, सो इट you will fight against the disease. Your body will have the resistance to fight against the disease. Now, as we require vitamins, we also require minerals such as iron, calcium, sodium, potassium. They play a very important role in all the necessary functions of the body. Example, mineral iron. Iron is very much necessary for carrying oxygen to different parts of the body. आपके बॉडी में, आपके शरीर में अगर ऑक्सीजन जाना है सब पार्ट्स में, तो आपको क्या लेना होगा? मिनरल आयन, आयन रिच फूड. सो फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल गेट दिस आयन? बीट रूट्स, लीफी वेजिटेबल्स contain a lot of iron. So you should eat iron rich food. If one does not eat enough supply, does not get enough supply of oxygen, अगर आपके शरीर को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिला तो क्या होगा? Then one will feel constantly weak and tired. जल्दी से थकान आएगी. This condition is called anemia. इस बीमारी को बोलते हैं एनीमिया. हेमोग्लोबिन goes down. The mineral calcium, it makes our body bones strong. जैसे आयन, मिनरल आयन इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर योर बॉडी, सिमिलरली मिनरल कैल्शियम इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड फॉर योर बॉडी टू मेक योर बॉडी बोन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग. So, how will you get vitamins and minerals? From fruits, green leafy vegetables, sprouted pulses, barn of cereals. They are all sources of vitamins and minerals. A balanced diet. Now, what do you mean by a balanced diet? For good health, our body needs different constituents of food, namely carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So, in a right quantity, a diet which provides all these constituents in the right quantities, it is known as a balanced diet. Food. So, what we studied in this lesson, we studied energy giving food, body building food, and food necessary for bodily processes and resistance to diseases. Energy giving food are carbohydrates and fats, body building food are proteins, and food necessary for bodily processes and resistance to disease are vitamins and minerals. नरिशमेंट एंड माल न्यूट्रिशन. अगर आपको ये डाइट नहीं मिला, बैलेंस डाइट नहीं मिला, तो क्या होगा? आप देख सकते हो जो बच्चे हैं, इफ़ यू कैन सी द चाइल्ड, दे आर अंडर नरिश्ड, दे आर known as, this is known as malnutrition, because if a person does not get enough of carbohydrates and proteins, their growth gets stunted. growth मतलब वो बढ़ नहीं पाते हैं, वो tall, they will not become tall, they will not become healthy. Thank you.